1 minute till it's dead. 2. Black eyes. Huh. That was quicker than 2 minutes. Six minutes till this is dead. Oh, this one's dead now. It wasn't even 2 minutes, it was less. The twin, this one doesn't work that good at all. It only works on hard floor. It needs hard floor. They're always tapping on the door. They want to go into the bathroom all the time. That's where they'd all be. This one I think is still dead. Yeah, this one didn't even charge this battery. See, look at how slow. Oh.